seriously injured but survived. Rescue efforts need to be carried out.
Every car crash is a costly lesson. Let's witness and learn so every journey is safer. Share your thoughts and subscribe to join us. Buckle up and let's explore. Oh my gosh, that crash has sent motorcycle parts flying everywhere. The driver was rushed to the hospital. That was rough. Guess it's a hot day. That guy decided to take his car for a swim in the pool. Hope he brought his swimsuit. That semi-truck swerved to avoid a car. Good thing his brakes were in tip-top shape. Taxi tried to beat the red light, but the other car wasn't having it. Intersection showdown. That cement truck took that curve way too fast, lost control, flipped over. That's going to be a serious mess. I've seen way too many accidents on this bridge. The government needs to do something about this death trap. Heart-stopping pass. That was way too close for comfort. Be careful on curves. The faster you go, the closer you are to having an accident. Two cars went head-to-head at the intersection. Nobody wanted to give way, and they both lost. That bus lost a wheel, and the SUV couldn't avoid it. Unlucky break for everyone involved. Streets are crowded today. Everyone's rushing, no one's yielding. Minor collision, but be more careful next time. Uninvited guest today, a white car crashing through the fence and into the pool. Pool party crashers. Lots of rain today. Looks like there was a downpour, followed by a chain reaction collision on the road. Lots of wrecked cars, a chaotic scene. Unexpected pass, almost. Thank goodness for divine intervention. Oh my gosh, that crash was so intense. Car parts flying everywhere, like a scene from an action movie. Maybe he messed with the wrong person. She's not as nice as he thought. Today, the semi-truck isn't pulling, but pushing that car sideways. What's going on here? No one was hurt in that crash, but those cars sure were. Those scratches are gonna cost a pretty penny. That truck is plowing through that gray Audi. The wreckage is heartbreaking. Car gives motorcycle a little kiss at the intersection. Awkward. According to the investigation, the semi-truck driver fell asleep and crashed into the bridge support. Luckily, no one was hurt, but his truck wasn't so lucky. Car driver lost control and rolled multiple times on the highway, causing an accident. The scene you just saw was a flying car. I thought I was watching a circus show. And here's a car flying through the air like in a Chinese martial arts movie. Failed turn. A FedEx truck was rear-ended by a car carrying tires, causing tires to scatter all over the road. Hopefully, those scenes helped you realize the fragility of road safety. Always be careful and drive responsibly. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more cautionary videos. Let's build a safer driving community together.